Sophie. Oh.
See? The world.
We got the world here.
We're going to blow up the world.
Sounds good, right?
This is the 4th day of Banger Week. Hope you're enjoying it so far. We are. Well, I am. I don't have to clear up all this, so...
I'm not enjoying it.
Dan's not enjoying it.
Yes, no. Right, so,
Let's,
I think I like blowing up the world, though, so should we do it?
let's get rid of the world.
Right.
Pesky Earth. Oh! Oh, I got soaked! Oh! Damn it! Jesus! Oh, man!
That was awesome.
Should have been further back. Mental.
Do you reckon it's going to blow it up? Idiot. That was unbelievable.
I did not expect that.
You're like getting in tight with the camera angle.
Yeah, I was like, dude, get in here, and I got soaked.
Water was still
Blew
coming
out
down,
downwards and went upwards, a tidal wave.
Oh, look, the glass is alright inside somehow.
Oh, thank Christ.
Yeah. Well, luckily, well, we managed to find North America pretty much intact, actually.
Yeah, that's my house.
And we found England.
That's your house.
But we've lost Scotland and Ireland, unfortunately.
The United Kingdom has been severed in
Shame.
half.
Shame.
But at least we got Wales.
I think Newcastle's still there, unfortunately. Oh no, it's gone.
It kind of cuts off around Leeds. If you're in Leeds, you've made it.
Yeah, well done.
All right, tune in tomorrow for the big finale of Boom Week. You'll finally figure out what that bloody hoop is doing on the back of the tree.
You might be able to guess, to be fair. But and the fact that I'm covered in something or other.
Yeah, but don't mistake that.
Not this.
That is something different.
Yeah.
All right,
you watched
well,
earlier.
follow us on Twitter, Gavin Free, Daniel Grishy, and check back tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see you then.